Hello, it's been a while. Today, gagawin natin ang Black Doll Carbon Laser Treatment para sa mga katulad natin, inaalagaan ng skin, gusto ng clear pores, tanggal blackheads, at fresh na look. Hindi lang to para sa mga babae, kundi para din sa mga asawa niyo, mga boyfriend niyo, at sa mga brothers niyo. So let's go. Step 1. Cleanse, start tayo sa facial cleansing. And by the way, this is my mother pala. She's also a trained esthetician for years now. And actually nakita nyo gumamit siya ng mild cleanser. It is very important na malinis ang face bago mag-treatment. And of course, massage in gentle circular motion, lalo na sa oily areas. After 1 minute, you can rinse it ng lukewarm water then pat it dry. No rubbing para hindi masira yung skin mo. Next up, manual removal of whiteheads. As you can see, madami akong whiteheads. And now, they prep my skin para sa carbon laser natin in a while. Previously, I posted about using R-Top R. It's really effective for removing of your blackheads and whiteheads. And of course, we have to wait for a few minutes, approximately mga 5 to 10 minutes para mag-completely dry siya. FYI, it's very important to remove our whiteheads and blackheads para hindi maging clog yung pores natin. This is the moment of truth. While waiting, ito na. We have completely removed the whiteheads and blackheads in our face. It's so satisfying to see at ang gaan sa feeling na makita mo na remove na yung whiteheads at blackheads mo. Step 3, high frequency. Ginagamit to kill acne-causing bacteria and improve blood circulation. May konting zap sound pero painless siya. Next step, apply carbon lotion. Ang carbon lotion, ito yung charcoal-looking na liquid na black na ina-absorbs ng skin. Pinapahid ito evenly sa buong mukha, lalo na sa T-zone. And here is the just let it dry for a few minutes. Hindi pa pala tumikit ng maayos. Ito ang mag-a-attract sa laser. The carbon laser or Viber safe to and non-invasive. The laser hits the carbon particles sa face, tinatanggal yung oil and dirt and dead skin. At the same time, binabanat yung pores. Ramdam mo yung init pero tolerable lang siya. Parang light na snapping feeling lang. If feeling mo masakit to, no, it's not. Mas masakit yung iniwan. Joke lang. You don't have to worry because most of the machine nowadays have adjustable meters based on your pain tolerance, and of course, numbing cream to reduce the pain. At last, natapos na tayo. After laser, we can apply also serum para i-calm down yung skin, and we can apply blue light. Then after that, if you have moisturizer and SPF na sunscreen, you can use that also. And that's it mga bro. Tapos na ang Black Doll laser session. And don't forget, take care of your skin and your skin will thank you. Follow for more and link in my bio.